Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I negotiated with my friends from Envato and I got a new coupon code which will be valid through December 2020, and it will be discounting your access to Envato elements from this sum, because this is the usual amount that you need to pay to get access to unlimited assets from elements, to only $9. So you will have your first month for $9. So this is the subscription that it has the coupon code that I negotiated added, and it is only €8, meaning $9. So if you click the link in this video's description, then you will be going to a page similar to this, because I just clicked the link. Here you need to go to site, because YouTube prompts you to, if you want to leave YouTube for sure. And on the element site you have to click here and sign up, enter a first name, last name, email address, and so on. And after you completed these steps, you will be going to a new tab similar to this, and you will see only $9 that you will have to pay for your first month for Envato elements, and you will have unlimited access to all assets that elements contains. So go ahead guys, click on the link from this video's description and you will profit from the coupon code that I will be sharing with you today. So yeah, this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this coupon code will help you create your next project, and until next time, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. Thank you for watching until then. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.